paper. Idiot. Are these leftovers from 2 days ago?
Be grateful, young Moipi. For today, it's especially delicious. Look it. Sa audio, mafuka ko may aya. Hey, Charlie. Why are you eating my taro chips? Don't you know they are the Lord's chips? What are you gonna do about it? Skivvy, you have these skills. I could really use a tag team partner. Nah, thanks. Don't you want a little taste of the glory? See what it tastes like. Does it taste better than your cooking?
Hey, Skivvy. Whoa, we're gonna be late.
Oh, hey, this is my workmate.
I was tempted, tempted by your smile. I was tempted.
Where's your robe?
They were stinky. These are my stretchy pants.
Okay.
Charlie, look, it's Ramses. He's my favorite wrestler. He's fantastic, the best. I love him. Look at those muscles, they're #1.
You know, I just want to follow him home.
Why?
Because my parents always taught me to follow my dreams.
I'm gonna be just like him one day. I'm going to train every single day. I'm going to eat clean and healthy from now on. Pua'a. Ooh, yes, please. You and me, Skivvy, we're going to be the best tag team wrestlers the world has ever seen. Right, Skivvy? Skivvy?
What a sad guy.
Wow. No loyalty, this guy. Maria? Surprise! Get that gecko out of my face! No! Why did you do that? You make me look like a fool just now. What took you so long? Fine. I'll be your tag team partner. Do you mean it? Yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever.
Are you
Yes. Yes, I am.
an idiot?
What? No, I am Taro Libre, luchador extraordinario, and we'll be fighting in the biggest wrestling tournament tonight in the village.
Oh, okay. Idiot.
Go. Go away. Read the books. And let's get ready to rock and roll. In the brown corner, Taro Libre. And Skivvy. Here we go. It's very big challenges here today. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please do not try these activities at your home because it is not very safety. These are trained amateurs. And he's coming now on, he's off the backboard, he's running into the middle, he's coming around the outside, he's got him. And that's a try for #4. Hey, what's time this finish? He's the one and only, is Ramses. And it's now time for the moment you've been waiting for. Come on, Stevie. What? Go, Stevie. What? You're the best. Go, Stevie. Stevie. Yeah, Stevie. And slip. Take it easy. Come on, sweep the leg. And the winner by unanimous TKO decision, and the heavyweight champion of the